Let's explore My Digital Storefront to see the code base that you're going to be working with. I'm going to give you a quick tour of how the project runs, but I highly recommend you play around with it yourself to make sure that you have a deep, intuitive understanding of what this program is able to do. The basic concept here is to create a text-based version of an online store where you can purchase and put things into a cart and hold an inventory of things based off of a bank account's balance. The first thing I'm going to enter is how much money I want in my account. This is just, there's no limits to it. Just for fun, I can just put in $1,000. Then I'm going to choose a password and confirm it. A nice, beautiful, smart password. And next, I'm going to view in my menu a bunch of options and select View Catalog of Items to Buy. And see that it prints out all the items that are currently available, of which, in the way the program currently runs, you have to commit to memory when you decide to buy something. But maybe you can improve upon that later. Next, when I press Buy an Item, it's going to ask me to type in the name of the item I want to buy. Maybe let's buy some spinach for now. And once I've entered this in, if it's in stock, I have the option of buying it or placing it in my shopping cart. For now, I'm just going to purchase it. I got to enter my password to make sure, like I would at the teller, that I actually it's my account, I'm not some thief. I enter it in, and I spend the $3.99 that it costs, and I have $9.96.01 remaining, and I now own spinach. If I look down here, I can now see my cart of all held items, and if I press 3, I see that this cart is empty because I don't actually have any held items. I own some. So if I go 4, I now see that I own spinach. Let's make one more purchase. I remember seeing rice for sale here. I'm just going to purchase that right off the bat, type in my password, and now if I view my purchases, I have rice. $9.88.02 remaining because the rice cost me $7.99. Just so you know, the program currently has no way of you viewing how much an item costs. That's one of the challenges that you can implement if you choose to do so. Okay, what if I try to buy it and choose instead? I think I had this game that I love, Breath of the Wild, in my store, able to buy. And I'm going to place this one on my shopping cart. So this item is now being held onto, meaning that if I view the cart of held items, it should now show me that Breath of the Wild is being held onto. And I can choose if I want to purchase it or if I want to not actually buy this. So let's actually type in the name I want to buy, Breath of the Wild. Again, there could be a good spot for a menu to be added in here to view and select from all the items in the cart. But right now, it's just a text-based input. And type in my password one more time to confirm this purchase. And now, if I view what I hold, I have Breath of the Wild added in here as well. I also have the ability to view the status of my financials to see how much money I have left after each of these purchases. Breath of the Wild was a little bit pricier. Up here, it was $79.99, so that hurt my overall balance a little bit. And with number 6, I have provided you a spot. You can always add as many more of these menu items as you want, but a spot for you to add in your own custom idea if you'd like. And next, I'm able to simply just exit my program with the final click. So what I have here is a catalog. I can buy things from my cart if I hold on to it. I can review what I've bought. I can check on my bank account, and I can exit the program. In the next video, I'm going to be taking you through a bit more of an explanation of how this class structure is built, and a few of the algorithms inside you might be curious to learn a bit more about. But mostly, your goal is to get used to this program, really understand how I built it, so that you can add on a bunch of new content to it and really customize it into your own personal storefront.